Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to exit the magnifier tool on a zoomed screen in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To exit the magnifier on your Windows 11 computer, the most straightforward method is to locate and click the close button on the magnifier window itself. Once the magnifier is active and you see its interface, you will find a clear close button, usually represented by an X. Clicking this button will immediately deactivate and close the magnifier application, returning your screen to its normal view. Before you exit, you may also want to know that it is not always necessary to completely close magnifier if you simply wish to reduce the zoom level. You can often use the minus icon within the magnifier interface to decrease the magnification. This can be a more convenient option if you plan to use magnifier again soon, or just need a less zoomed-in view temporarily. As an alternative method for exiting magnifier, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. Pressing the Windows key and the Escape key simultaneously will also close the magnifier application. This can be particularly useful if the magnifier window is obscuring another part of your screen, or if you prefer using keyboard commands. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.